We're here with Ron Smith, Damon Wells Professor of Geophysics at Yale University, who's the 2011 recipient of the Jule G Charney Award for his fundamental contributions to our understanding of the influence of mountains on the atmosphere through both theoretical advances and insightful observations. Congratulations.
Thanks very much.
When you first learned you were going to receive this prestigious award, what was your reaction?
Well, I was excited and pleased, a little bit surprised, because one doesn't know how one is regarded in the field. And of course, these days one hears about climatology, global studies as being kind of the leading area of atmospheric sciences, whereas my work has always been in mesoscale meteorology, mountain meteorology. It's kind of a small corner of the field, but that made it even more, even nicer to receive the award, because it kind of recognizes that part of the field as well.
Tell us a little about your research accomplishments and how they relate to ongoing research challenges in this particular field.
Well, from the very beginning, I've been interested in how mountains influence the weather and climate on our planet. Everything's been focused on that. About 2/3 of my work overall has been focused one way or another on mountain meteorology. And we've done field programs all over the world. It's been exciting. I think we've solved maybe 1/3 of the outstanding questions. So, but there's a lot of young people that can carry on this. Now that we've got this 1/3 of the questions answered, the other 2/3 can be taken on by other people.
What got you started in this facet of meteorology?
Interested in the natural environment. Always been interested in mathematics. Always been interested in aviation. My first 2 degrees, my bachelor's and master's degrees, were in aeronautical engineering. And so when I learned that I could use aircraft to measure airflow around mountains, climate effects, precipitation caused by mountains, that was kind of a natural merging of all of my interests. Aviation, the atmospheric science, the mathematics. It was a natural convergence of all my loves.
What would you say to new graduates in the atmospheric and related sciences to encourage them as they embark on their research careers?
I think the most discouraging thing that some people pick up on is that they think that all the discoveries have been made. And in fact, at a meeting like this, depending on what session you go to, you could come away with that impression. On the other hand, if you dig deeper, I think you'd find out the opposite. I think most young people, if they dig far enough, will realize that our understanding is not very deep. And if they work hard and find a subject that interests them, self-motivate themselves, they will pretty quickly get to a point where they're really uncovering brand new things about the physics of the atmosphere. I think that's the thing that students need to be made aware of, that the problems are not yet solved, and almost any subject you pick out, if you push far enough, you'll come to the frontier and you can advance that frontier.